So, students, today in our social science geography class, today we are going to discuss some MCQ question answers, MCQ type of question answers that may be important and maybe come in your upcoming periodic test 2 examination. So, let us begin the question and answers. Okay, so another students also appeared, it is Vishnu. Okay. So, the first question, question number 1, okay, geography chapter number 6. So, the first question is, that Mount Kilimanjaro is situated in option number A, Asia, B, North America, C, Africa, and option number D, South America. Okay, so tell me which is the correct option. Okay, so two students already given the answer. Okay, and the question is, and the answer is absolutely correct. It is Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain peak of Africa and African continent. And so, another question that tell me that what type of mountain it is? What type of mountain it is? The Mount Kilimanjaro. Tell me. I am not giving you any option. If you know the answer, then you can directly write in the chat box. Okay, so the answer is young fold. No students, most of the students don't know that Mount Kilimanjaro is not a fold mountain. It's a volcanic mountain, okay. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa, it's a volcanic mountain, it's not a fold mountain. So, Shombit, tell me that tell me an example. Give me an example of young fold mountain, any young fold mountain of the world. After that, I will discuss the next question. Shomit will give me the answer that what is the, so tell me any one young fold mountain, any example. Give me any example of young fold mountain. Himalaya, very good. Salma given the correct answer that Himalaya is a young fold mountain. Okay. Now the next question, where are glaciers found? And the options are in plateaus, B, in mountains, C, in plains, and D, in North Pole. Okay, not North Pole, it is correct answer is not in hills. Okay, which is the correct answer? Tell me. Which is the Alps? Not only Alps, some other mountains also. Yes, very good. It is in mountains. So, glaciers can be found in the mountains. So, what is the definition of the glacier? Do you know? The glaciers are the frozen river of ice. So, glaciers means the frozen river of the ice. Okay. So, all the major rivers that flows toward inside the India towards Bay of Bengal or or Arabian Sea, such as Indus, and it is also entered into the Pakistan, and the Brahmaputra, it is also emerged in Tibet and also entered through Arunachal Pradesh and flown towards Assam and Bangladesh and merged with Bay of Bengal. And our major river of the Indian subcontinent, that is the Ganges, it is also, all these three rivers emerged from different glaciers that were found in the top of the Himalaya. Okay. So, glaciers are the frozen river of ice, and this is the source of all these rivers also. Next question. Next question is, where does the river Yangtze flow? Where does the river Yangtze? Option number A, Japan. Option number B, Taiwan. Option number C, India. Option number D, China. So, tell me which is the correct option. Where does the river Yangtze flow? Okay, so some students already given the answer, and it is the correct answer. The option number D, it is China. So, Yangtze and Sikiang, so these are the major rivers and of China. Next, question number 4. So, next question is, which is the important mountain range in Europe? Option number A, Andes. Option number B, Alps. Option number C, Rockies, and option number D, Satpura. So, which is the correct option? Tell me. Yes, and 2 students already given the correct answer. It is Alps. Alps is the mountain range, that the most important mountain range in Europe, and it is also situated in some part of Switzerland and other countries. Okay. Next question. Next question for you, that tell me that the elevated landform not more than 600 meter high is called option number A, plains, option number B, plateau, option number C, mountain, option number D, hills. So, which is the correct answer? Tell me, students. Okay, Shomit said it is mountain. Okay, so and the other students, they said it is hills. The elevated landform not more than 600 meter high is called hills, and the correct answer is hills. Yes, number D, absolutely correct. It is the correct option. Next one, question number 6. Question number 6 is that where it is easy, where is it easy to grow crops, build house, built houses and roads. Okay, option number A, it is the plain, option number B, glaciers, option number C, hills, option number D, plateaus. So, which is the correct option? Tell me. Okay, so most of the students said it is plains. Yes, and plains is the correct answer. Okay, so plains is the place where we can build house and roads easily. Okay, so another question related to this, tell me the highest plateau of the world. You know what is plateau? So tell me the highest plateau of the world. Write in the chat box. Yes, very good. It is the Tibetan plateau. Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau all over the world. It is also called the roof of the world. It is so high, and some part of the Tibetan plateau also situated in India, in Ladakh. Very good, students. Yes. And another question I am asking verbally, that tell me that you know the availability of land, we are giving some land, availability of land is not only for our use but also for option number A, our past generations, our present generation, option number C, our future generation, and option number D, none of these. Which is the correct option? The available land is not only for our use but also for option number A, our past generation, option number B our present generation, option number C our future generation, and option number D none of these. Okay, Mehtab, Salma, Srija, they said it is future generation, and yes, absolutely correct, because in future when population, when growing, more population will grow. Okay, then what happened? The availability of land was there was not so much land available for living. So that's why we should use the land properly with planning, so we can use those lands in future, for our future generation can use those land, and we can make the cities and towns with much planning. Okay, and also we should use our natural resources like mountains, plateaus and plains, river valleys, okay, properly, because if we use them without any planning, it will harmful to us, and nature will destroy everything. Okay, so thank you students, thank you for watching today's class. See you in the next class with the another subunit from your chapter number 7 that I have already started. Bye everyone.